Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see what is vibe coding. So imagine this situation, you need to build a test automation framework. Instead of spending days designing the structure, writing boilerplate and debugging setup, you just describe the vibe. For example, create a scalable Playwright framework with page object model, logging feature, retry logic and CI support. And boom, your code is ready. That's the vibe coding. But the real question is, are we engineering better systems or just generating the faster chaos? So we need to understand the vibe coding in very structural manner. Vibe coding is essentially coding by intent and not by implementation. Instead of writing every line manually, you need to describe what you want and AI will generate the structure, logic and even the edge cases. There are tools like GitHub Copilot, Claude Code, ChatGPT make this possible. Okay, but you need to be aware about how we need to use these tools to get the desired result. Okay, it shifts your role from being a coder to being a system designer and a reviewer. Sounds powerful, right? Now let's talk specifically about test automation framework. So traditionally, building a framework involves designing folder structure, setting up the page object model, writing reusable utilities, handling wait, retries, logs, and then integrating it with CI/CD tools. But with vibe coding, you can generate basic framework in just few minutes. You can generate test cases from plain English language, and you can test API, UI, and even you can do the regression runs. For example, you can give the prompt, create a Playwright framework with page object model, test data separation, and LO reporting. You will instantly get folder structure, sample test, and even the config files. You know where it shines? It will do the POC very quickly. It will bootstrap the frameworks. It will write the repetitive test cases, generate the edge cases scenarios. But there are few struggle points as well, like the custom business logic might be a challenge. The complex test data would be a challenge, and long term maintainability we need to take care. And even we need to debug the flaky test cases, right? The reality check is AI generated frameworks look perfect, but they may not follow your team's convention. There might be a hidden bugs that can creep in. And there might be a case of over engineering also, which is very common. And the worst thing is you might not fully understand your own framework. And in test automation, you know that is the most dangerous thing. Because when tests fail at 2 a.m., the testing team will be the responsible person for this, right? And AI won't debug it for you. So you need to rely totally on vibe coding, and the risk will be fragile frameworks, flaky test cases, and maintenance is a nightmare. So now you might think vibe coding is good or bad. It's a force multiplier and not a replacement. This might help you in accelerating the setup, reducing boilerplate, and even you can explore the ideas in more faster way. But always review the code, always customize your test cases, and always understand what is being generated by the AI. Because the best automation engineer won't be the one who code the most, but they'll be the one who know what to trust, what to fix, and what to rewrite. And that's the real vibe you should aim for. So don't just vibe with the code, make sure the code survives in your production pipeline, right? So this is the whole introduction on the vibe coding. There are pros and there are cons, but we need to do this mindfully so that we should not get in the trap. Okay. So welcome to this course. I will try to explain you vibe coding in more structured pattern. We will build the UI test automation framework using Playwright and Python in this course with the help of vibe coding. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Hi everyone. So if you have reached this far, there is an announcement for you. I will be launching a vibe coding UI automation course on my learning platform. You can watch it. This course will be launched by next week. So in this course, we will going to cover the building the UI automation framework using Playwright and Python using a vibe coding. We will going to start it from very scratch. We will create the folder structure and we'll take it to the execution of the test cases in the Playwright and PyTest. Okay, we will also generate the report. We will also do the logging. We will include all the features here, and the complete framework will be developed using a vibe code. There will not be a single line written by us. It will be totally written by the AI assistant. Okay, so I hope you will like that course. It would be a great learning for you. You can check out the course on my learning platform. I will give you a link in the description. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.